welcome back to English literature class. So in previous class we had completed poem 1. So today we will study chapter 3, and that is Dream Palace. Remove page number 25 in your canopy term book. So this lesson is a play and it is dedicated to ancient times. There is a king, ministers and different characters in this play. So this is a small play. So to further study about it, let us start. Once upon a time, King Krishna Deva Raya ruled over the Vijayanagar kingdom. There was a king whose name was Krishna Deva Raya, and he ruled over Vijayanagar kingdom, means he was the king of Vijayanagar. Tenali Raman was the court jester. Court jester means the one who makes others laugh. Stories about Tenali Raman and his tricks on everyone around him, including the king, are quite well known. So we know stories about Tenali Raman. So the stories about Tenali Raman are quite famous nowadays. In the play, King Krishna Deva Raya summons and all his ministers to the court to make an important announcement. Read on to find out what happens the next. So in play, Krishna Deva Raya ordered all his ministers, like who are in the court. The people who are in the court, Krishna Deva Raya ordered them to come in the court because he wanted to make an important decision. So there are different scenes in the court. So there are in total 3 scenes. So we will start with the first scene. And who all are the characters here? King Krishna Deva Raya, Tenali Raman and ministers. There were 4 ministers. So let us start. In the king's palace, okay? The scene number 1. Last night, Krishna Deva Raya is talking to his ministers. Last night I had a marvelous dream. I dreamt of a beautiful palace. It was made of glittering stones and floated in the air. So what king told? That last night when I was sleeping, I had a wonderful dream. In dream what he saw? In dream he saw a palace made with glittering stones, and the palace was floating in the air. Means the palace was made of glittering stone and it was in the air. Turn your page. Minister 1. So when king said this, minister 1 said, "That's wonderful, your majesty." He said that this is wonderful. Krishna Deva Raya. Yes, the palace had everything that one could ever wish for. It would be lighted up with 1,000 lights or made to disappear into darkness in a second. So the king told that the palace had everything that we need. It had thousands of lights to light up, and also it can be fully dark in just a second. Minister 2. "O noble king, may your dream come true." What the minister 2 said? That may your dream come true. The palace which you saw in your dream, may this dream of yours come true. Minister 3. "Our ruler's dreams are as spectacular as his action." Spectacular means very special. Minister 3 said that our ruler's dreams are very special as his actions. Krishna Deva Raya. "I woke up suddenly, but I have not forgotten the dream palace. I will give 100,000 gold coins to anyone who can build such a palace for me." So the king said that when I saw this dream, I woke up suddenly, but I haven't forgotten the dream. And the king said that I may give 100,000 gold coins to build such a palace. The ministers stopped mid-sentence, their mouth full open. The ministers were shocked when the king said this, and their mouths were literally open. And they started talking inside themselves. The minister 1 said, aside means how the king cannot hear. "No palace floats in the air." Minister 1 said that no palace can float in the air. Minister 2. "But who has the courage to tell him that?" The minister 2 said that we all know that palace can't float in the air, but who can tell this thing to king? Minister 4 hesitantly means he was speaking slowly. They were talking slowly so that king cannot hear. Your Majesty, such a palace cannot be real. It can only exist in one's mind. The Minister 4 said to the king that, Majesty, this palace cannot be real. No palace can float in the air. This can only be seen in our dreams. Krishna Devaraya, how dare you oppose my wish? Leave my court at once. Means, when the Minister 4 told him that, the king got angry and he said that, how can you not agree to my dreams? Then he told everyone to leave his palace. Minister 4 exists. My palace must be built. I command you to find me a builder to create the palace of my dream. All of you will be punished if you fail to do so. Then the king said to other ministers that, anyhow, I want this palace to be built. Otherwise I will punish all of you if you fail to do this. Okay, this is a one scene, and now the scene number 2 starts. The king's palace. Okay, the ministers are worried. The next day they asked Tenali Raman for help. So the king told them to build a palace anyhow. So the ministers were worried. So they went to Tenali Raman for help. Minister 1, you must do something. Minister 2, the king will punish us severely if the palace is not built. Minister 3, please help us, Tenali Raman. Only you can make our king understand that it is impossible to build such a palace. All the 3 ministers said that, please help us, otherwise the king will punish us. And only you can tell the king that this is impossible to build a palace like this. So then what the Tenali Raman said, I need some time to think of a solution. Don't worry, let me see what I can do. So Tenali Raman said that, give me some time, I will give you a solution once I get any idea. Okay, so this is the scene 2, and now the scene 3 starts here. The king's palace. The next day a very old man came to king's court. So now there's a new character entered in the scene. So it is an old man. Where the old man came? The old man came in the king's court. The old man, oh my gracious king, I have come to you to ask for justice. I am sure that your majesty will help me. So what the old man said that, I have come here for justice. So I am hoping that you can help me. Krishna Devaraya, what is the problem? Tell me without fear and I shall see what the justice is done. So Krishna, the king said that tell me what is your problem. I can see if I can do justice to you. Old man unhappily. The old man says unhappily, thieves have looted me, your majesty, all my savings are gone, I have nothing left. The old man unhappily said that thieves have looted him. The thieves took his savings and he have nothing left with him. They looted everything. Krishna Devaraya angrily. The king got angrily. He asked, who looted you? Name them, I'll punish them immediately. Okay, the king said that, who looted you? Just tell me, I'll punish them right now. Turn your page number 28. Old man, my king, I will tell you everything, but you must promise not to punish me if my answer upsets you. What the old man said that, I will tell you everything, but promise me that you won't punish me or you won't get upset hearing to my answer. Okay, Krishna Devaraya impatiently, yes, I promise. Okay, Krishna Devaraya said that, yeah, I promise, I won't punish you. Old man, it's you, sir. Then the old man said that, it is you who have looted me. Krishna Devaraya stand up angrily, said, how dare you say that I looted you? He remembers his promise and sit down again. Let me hear what have you say. Continue. Then he remembers his promise that I don't have to get angry, and then he sit down and tell him that, tell me what the story is. The old man, last night I dreamt that you and your ministers stole my entire life savings, 5,000 gold coins. The old man said that, I saw a dream that you and your ministers looted me with 5,000 gold coins. Krishna Deva Raya, laughing. You are a fool. How can you think your dream is real? Dreams are not true. Then what the king said, that you are a fool. That how can you think that dreams can come true? Dreams cannot come true. Old man smiling. But they are, your majesty. If you dream of your palace hanging in the air can come true, why can't my dream come true? Okay. So what the old man said, that if you are dreaming of a dream palace hanging in the air, then why can't my dream come true? Krishna Deva Raya, he was shocked. What are you saying? Who are you? Then the king asked that, what are you saying? Who are you? The old man removes his beard and hair and stands before the king. It is none other than Tenali Raman. The Tenali Raman came in a look of old man. Krishna Deva Raya, confused. He was confused. The king was confused. Is that you, Tenali Raman? What is the meaning of this? The king asked that, what is the meaning of this? Like, why did you do all this? Tenali Raman, forgive me, my king, for tricking you, but this was the only way to show that how absurd your wishes. Absurd means not making any sense. So the Tenali Raman said that this was the only way I could make you believe that this is a very unreal dream. Like, this dream cannot come true. Like, what dream I saw and you told that this dream cannot come true. Like, in the same way, the palace you are dreaming of cannot come true anyhow, and that too floating in the air. Krishna Deva Raya, laughing. You are right, Tenali. You are very clever. Thank you for making me realize how unreasonable my dream was. And the king started laughing and thanked Tenali Rama that, thank you for making me realize that how unreasonable my dream was. Unreasonable means asking for too much. Okay, so this was a play, and it is a very simple play with all three scenes. I hope you have understood this play and I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.